Most people don't stay broke because they're lazy. They stay broke because they believe things that sound smart but quietly destroy wealth. And the worst part? Most of these money lessons are taught by parents, schools, coworkers, and even financial experts. They're repeated so often that people accept them as facts. But if these beliefs actually worked, far more people would be wealthy. Today, we're exposing 7 money lies the middle class still believes. And some of these might make you uncomfortable, but uncomfortable truths build wealth. Let's start with lie number 1, work hard and you'll get rich. Now before you get angry, hard work absolutely matters, but hard work alone doesn't create wealth. Millions of people work incredibly hard every day, construction workers, nurses, teachers, factory workers, yet many still struggle financially. Because wealth isn't just about effort, it's about ownership. The wealthy don't just work for money, they own assets that work for them. Lie number 2, saving money will make you wealthy. Saving is important. You should absolutely save money. But saving alone doesn't create wealth. A savings account protects money. Investments grow money. There's a huge difference. The middle class often focuses on saving. The wealthy focus on investing. One protects capital, the other multiplies it. Lie number 3, a bigger salary solves everything. Most people think their financial problems would disappear if they earned more, but income alone doesn't create wealth. We've all seen people making 6 figures who are drowning in debt, and we've seen people with average incomes quietly build substantial wealth. Income helps, but behavior matters more. Without good financial habits, a bigger paycheck simply creates bigger spending. Lie number 4, debt is always bad. This is one of the most misunderstood ideas in personal finance. Bad debt is a problem. Credit card debt, consumer debt, high interest debt. But productive debt can build wealth. Businesses use debt, real estate investors use debt, corporations use debt. The wealthy understand the difference between debt that consumes wealth and debt that creates wealth. Most people never learn that distinction. Lie number 5, buying a house is always the best investment. This one surprises people. A home can be a great purchase, but it's not automatically a great investment. Your primary residence costs money, property taxes, maintenance, insurance, repairs. Many people assume home ownership guarantees wealth. The reality is more complicated. A house can build wealth, but only if the numbers make sense. Lie number 6, you need a perfect plan before you start. This belief keeps people stuck for years. They spend months researching, watching videos, reading articles, waiting for the perfect strategy. Meanwhile, people with imperfect plans are already investing in building momentum. Wealth rewards action, not endless preparation. You'll learn more from investing your first $100 than from watching 100 videos. Lie number 7, rich people are just lucky. This belief is dangerous because it removes responsibility. If wealth is mostly luck, why try? The truth is that luck exists. But luck alone doesn't explain consistent wealth. The wealthy tend to make different decisions. They invest earlier, they buy assets, they think long-term, they focus on ownership, and they repeat those behaviors for decades. That's not luck, that's a system. Now let's recap the 7 money lies we've just covered. Lie number 1, work hard and you'll get rich. Lie number 2, saving money will make you wealthy. Lie number 3, a bigger salary solves everything. Lie number 4, debt is always bad. Lie number 5, buying a house is always the best investment. Lie number 6, you need a perfect plan before you start. Lie number 7, rich people are just lucky. Most people never question these beliefs, and that's exactly why they stay stuck. Because your financial future isn't determined by how hard you work, it's determined by how you think. The wealthy don't have access to secret information. They simply see money differently, and once your beliefs change, your decisions change. When your decisions change, your results eventually follow. If this video challenged your thinking, subscribe.